In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropship.io to Shopify in 2025 with this full tutorial. This guide will walk you through each essential step of the process, ensuring that even if you're a beginner, you'll walk away with a smooth and efficient integration between Dropship.io and your Shopify store. So let's dive right in and get started on creating a seamless connection that will streamline your dropshipping business. First things first, head over to your Zapier homepage. Zapier acts as the heart of this integration, acting as the bridge that connects various applications smoothly and efficiently, making it a vital tool in our setup today. Once you're there, you'll find a Create button on the top, which is your gateway to starting the integration. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the creation of what Zapier calls a Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow between your chosen applications. Next, you'll be on a page that lists your Zaps. Look for the option labeled Copilot and select it. The Copilot feature is designed to simplify the action creation process by offering intelligent suggestions, thus eliminating the guesswork from setting up your integrations. Here, type in Connect Shopify and Dropship.io to guide the Copilot in creating a relevant workflow for your needs. After typing your request, you'll see an option to add all steps to Zap. Clicking this not only saves time, but also ensures that all necessary actions are correctly set up. We're halfway there. Now focus on the Shopify integration. To do this, locate and click on Shopify from the options listed. This is a crucial step as it sets the foundation for your trigger event. That means you'll need to select which action in Shopify you want to act as a trigger for Dropship.io. Once you've chosen the desired trigger, log into your Shopify account if prompted. This login ensures that you have the right permissions to enable this integration. Now shift your attention to Adafruit.io. Find and select it in Zapier. Like before, choose a trigger event that you would like to set in Adafruit.io. Then make sure to sign into your Adafruit.io account to authenticate the connection, which again secures the proper permissions needed to maintain the integration. You're doing great. The next step is to click Configure. This is where you'll fine-tune your setup, ensuring the integration runs smoothly, precisely how you envision it. Don't rush through this part as it tailors the process to your specific enterprise needs. Once you've configured everything, it's time to test your setup. Click the Test button on Zapier. Testing allows you to see how well your Zap functions, identifying potential hiccups so they can be addressed before going live. After a successful test, finalize the process by clicking on Publish. This action sets your Zap into motion, making the operations automated and ready to support your business workflows. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Dropship.io to Shopify using Zapier, unlocking a powerful automated workflow to enhance your dropshipping operations. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your e-commerce experience.